Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a brand new video. Thank you for being here with me today. So we are doing some weekend cleaning, and today is Saturday. So I have hubby at home with me. The kids are at home, so I just felt like I have to just basically give a quick tidy. And nothing major, nothing deep, since they are at home and they are still going to um, miss the whole day. But I just didn't really want um, dirt to pile on dirt, basically. So I like to tidy up even when my kids are at home, because I know that they are still going to have their little messes that will make it so much worse if I don't tidy at all. So as I mentioned, this was on a Saturday, and my husband decided to um, get my kids ready for their bath. So while they were bathing, I just decided to quickly tidy up our space. So we had our movie night yesterday, which was Friday. It was basically our second movie night, and it was so nice, guys. I am so happy that I had this idea. I have been feeling so stressed out, so like not even focused. So this movie night is really like a stress reliever. Really, like when I sit with my family and watch have our movie time, my mind is on nothing else. So I am so happy, and my kids are so excited now. They have something to look forward to every end of a school week, like every Friday, even when it is like when it's near to the end of the school week, they get so excited. Even Thursday morning, my daughter was saying, oh man, today is Thursday, tomorrow is Friday, our movie night. So I just am so super excited about that, and happy that we are doing that now every Friday. So here is just a close shot of how my floors actually looked. I feel like the camera does not show it that well, so I just took a close shot for you guys to actually see that I was not cleaning a clean floor. Okay. As I mentioned, or I think I mentioned, that my space was quite dirty. It was the movie night, and we just basically took away all the things, that all the snacks and all the cups and whatnot. We didn't really tidy up, so I just basically tidied my couches, and then didn't do any sweeping or whatsoever. Like, my kids still woke up the next morning and they sat in the space again. They made it was so I just decided to give the space a quick clean. There's nothing like a clean space, even though I know that at home it's not really gonna last long, but at least it was cleaned, and it's not gonna be like your overwhelming untidy space if you don't when you don't tidy a space and they make a mess on top of that mess. It's just overwhelming. So I just wanted to do some tidying up, since they were in the bath, and after they took the bath, they decided to play at the back in our backyard. So I had like some time to clean, even though I know it was not gonna last. Okay guys, so I just basically cleaned out. I am just basically cleaning my living space, my dining space, also just giving my kitchen a quick tidy, and then I have some laundry that I have to fold that I did the previous day that I did not fold. Nowadays I am so falling out of my routines and falling out of like my usual patterns, I would say. So I am just, like I mentioned in one of my previous videos, that since I am trying to basically change everything around when it comes to how I do things, putting in more of my self-care type of things in my day, everything is just changing and I am trying to figure it out. So I'm also just trying not to be hard on myself and give myself a little more grace, you know. So on this day I had some laundry to fold as well, but I did not even take it too hard. Normally if I fall out of a routine, I am really hard on myself. So yeah, and now I'm just going into my kitchen, washing out a few dishes that we had from the morning. So if you guys have anything to do, I hope that you would get some motivation from this video. You know, these type of videos is just to get motivation from. It's not so much of looking at what this person is doing. Sometimes I feel like people are looking at all the type of things that we are doing in the videos, and then they feel like this person is doing so much, like I can't. No, it's not about basically counting what someone is doing. It's just about getting some motivation for whatever you have to do, even if it's just one thing that you have to do or just one thing that you can do. Just definitely get some motivation and try to do what you have to do. After all, we just don't have the same lifestyle. For me personally, I try to do as much as I can on a daily basis so that I can just keep up. You know, I am a mom of 4 kids. We are a family of 7. If I let something slide, or if I don't take care of certain things, like for example your laundry, if I don't do laundry, each week it is overwhelmed. So there is certain things that I make sure that I do, like even for washing dishes, I have to do my dishes a few times a day for me to be at peace, you know, mentally, to be fine, not to feel overwhelmed. So don't look at what someone else is doing. Just do what you have to do. If that makes sense. So I don't want you guys to watch these videos and then compare yourself. We are just here for some motivation, and that is it. So now I'm just cutting some apple for I'm just cutting some apples for my hubby and son. It was basically for my son, just as a snack to enjoy while he is sitting there. enjoy this video. And I hope you guys will come back for the next one. I really love you guys, and I enjoy making these videos for you guys, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'll definitely see you in my next upload. Stay safe and be blessed, guys. I will see you in my next upload. Bye.